Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you know, I've been using the Honor Magic 6 Pro for a while now since our unboxing, and this phone is about to launch in Malaysia on the 20th of March 2024. This is the first phone to come preloaded with Magic OS 8.0 and comes with many exciting features with some AI capabilities as well, and you should definitely check them out when you get your phone. Now, the first feature that I want to talk about is Honor's Magic Portal, which has been my #1 favorite for doing things much faster than any other phones I've used. Let's say if I want to share a picture from my photo gallery to Facebook or WhatsApp, I'll usually need to perform several actions on other phones, and I can sometimes make mistakes by tapping on the wrong app on the share screen. The Honor Magic Portal simplifies that by understanding what I want, and I'll only need to drag the photo onto the side pane and drop it onto the app I want. I can even perform an image search on Google without going into the Google app and Chrome. And what's even more impressive is that I can start a Google Maps navigation by dragging an address to Magic Portal. It really makes doing things a lot faster, and I'm sure it will benefit you as well. The second feature is Standby, which turns the Honor Magic 6 Pro into a desk clock with various themes to choose from when you put the phone in a slanted landscape position. Now, I know you're going to say that this is inspired from another phone, but one thing I love about it is that you don't need to charge the phone for it to work, which is great because it's not every time we need to charge our phones, especially with the Honor Magic 6 Pro's long-lasting 5600 mAh silicon carbon battery. So Honor moved the front camera capsule of the Magic 6 Pro to the top middle of the screen, but it isn't any mere design change as it comes with the new Magic Capsule feature. So what I mainly do with this is to switch between my music tracks while I'm browsing my social media, and when I'm doing some other things on the phone while having a con call, it lets me quickly end that boring session after I'm done. But what's inside this Magic Capsule is also an eye tracking hardware, which Honor has yet to show its capabilities as of now, but at this point of time, it can be used to recognize your face orientation and automatically rotate the phone screen, which is great if you are using the Magic 6 Pro in certain situations. Now, I love widgets on my home screen, and Honor has taken that to the next level with its Smart Folder feature, which turns supported app icons into a folder of shortcuts. This really saves space on my home screen, and I can get access to certain features even faster from my home screen. All you need to do is to just expand the app icon when you arrange your home screen, and you'll see a list of shortcuts right next to it, just like a widget. This is super convenient as I use it frequently to jump straight into the video mode on the phone's camera, getting directions to my home, and quickly search for a YouTube video with just one tap. Finally, I just can't emphasize more on how much I love the ultra-fast camera of the Honor Magic 6 Pro with its AI motion sensing capture, especially with the new 180-megapixel Tele-Falcon camera, which is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects such as kids and pets at a distance. It can automatically capture moving subjects for you without even tapping the shutter button, and it takes ultra-clear photos of moving subjects even when zoomed in. So there you have it. These are my top 5 software features on the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and the phone launches on 20th March 2024 in Malaysia, and I can't wait to share with you my full review then on. So definitely stay tuned for the full review coming right up on the channel. Get subscribed and give us a thumbs up if you love what you saw, and I'll see you on the next one.